Laura Mongen, thank you so much for joining us this morning on AM Buffalo to discuss Medicare and prescriptions. This is going to be pretty good.
Hi, Mel. Thanks for having me. I'm really happy to be here.
Oh, well, I'm happy you're here because, it's a bit of a difficult thing to navigate, but you are the executive director at United Healthcare. You basically take care of Medicare and retirement in the whole of upstate New York. So you really are the woman to speak to when it comes to navigating, Medicare and prescriptions. And what do people need to know about this?
Well, it's really important because when you're looking at Medicare, original Medicare, it doesn't cover prescription drug costs. We want to make sure that people are aware of that. And there are two things they can do, actually. They can purchase a Part D plan with that original Medicare plan, or they can actually purchase a Medicare Advantage plan. Medicare Advantage plan wraps everything, all their benefits into one easy-to-use plan.
Okay, that's fantastic. So do you have any tips for us on how to access affordable prescriptions and medication?
There's actually two things I like to talk about with that. The first thing as far as access is home delivery. With the onset of the pandemic, a lot of our members selected to be part of the home delivery. They can have their 30-day prescriptions fills. They even can have some of their 90-day prescriptions fills. So the first thing would be home delivery. The second thing is look to see if there's a generic option available. And what I mean by that is when you are part of a Medicare Advantage plan, we actually have a formulary which lists all the drugs. There's many tiers in there. There's tier 1, tier 2. Those lower tiers, they cost less. And the best thing to do and the way to go about this is to contact their doctor to see if there's a generic alternative available.
That's fantastic. Thank you. And do you know any more resources that are out there to help us understand prescription drug coverage?
Well, the best resource is our member services team. Absolutely. All you have to do to call our customer service is take your ID card, turn it over. There's a customer service number there, and they are there to help you. And they can walk you through the next steps on what's available. Or if you have access to online, we have a great member portal, and it's called RX Online Marketplace, and it's fantastic. You go in there, you put in your information, you can do comparison shopping, you can order your refills, and there's been studies done on this. The members that actually do this actually save about $450 a year, so it's worth going in and online.
How do I know what my plan offers? I feel like that's a silly question, but you sign up for a plan and then to navigate and see what you're actually getting. Where do I get this info?
It's a great question because to know your benefits is so important to really maximize what you can get from your plan. The best thing to do is to call that customer service number to see exactly what your plan offers, or you can call your agent. If you understand your benefits, you're going to get the most from your plan.
I love this so much. This has been a really empowering conversation. I think too often we sign up for things that we know we have to get, and then we don't look deeper into it, and we don't see the things that we could be missing. Saving $400, I love that. Bring that on, and delivering my prescription drugs. All of these are really great tips. Laura, thank you so much for your time today.
Oh, thanks for having me, Mel. And if anyone needs more information, just go to uhcmedicarehealthplans.com, and there's a lot of information there to help you.
I have to echo what Mel said about it being so great to have this information because, yes, if you have any questions about your pharmaceuticals or your Medicare or anything about insurance, you know what to do. Check out that information right there on the screen for you. And of course, if you can't write it down super fast, we will definitely have it for you on our website. That's WKBW.com.